beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create these big voluminous curls. For this hair tutorial today, I used Iron Magnesium Pro Clipless wand. You can also use any other brand's clipless wand. I personally prefer Iron product because they are better fit for my hair texture. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So first I'm going to start off with dry shampoo, and for that I'm going to be using Dove Care Between Washes, and I'm going to spray dry shampoo all over my crown area and then massage it into my crown area just to get rid of any whiteness or any residue. After that I'm going to move on to heat protector from TRESemmé, and I'm going to spray it all over the ends of my hair where I think the heat damages the most. For my first section, I'm going to take hair from right above my ear and I'm going to separate the rest of the hair and put it in a bobby pin or a clip. After that, I'm going to divide it into two sections, and then the two sections I'm going to divide it into two more sections so that I have about an inch or inch and a half of hair in my hand to curl. And then I'm going to take my Iron Clipless curling wand and I'm going to wrap my hair around the rod away from my face. So always I try to go away from my face because that's how it suits me. It totally depends if you want to come towards your face or outwards. After that, I'm going to hold onto my curl for a few seconds to let it cool down, and also this is going to give me more bouncy and voluminous curl. After that, I'm going to take another section and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to coil my hair around the wand and hold on to it for a few seconds, like 5 to 6 seconds. And after that, I'm going to take my hair off the curling wand and I'm going to hold on to the curl. This is going to give more bounce to my hair and it's going to give more spring kind of effect. For my second section, I'm sectioning my hair from above my eyebrow arc, and I'm going to separate the sections and tie the rest of the hair into a bun on top of my head. And then I'm going to split the section into two different sections, and then I'm going to comb through my hair just to make them neat and detangled. And then I'm going to divide this section into further two sections, and I'm going to start curling my hair away from my face again. So I'm holding this rod at an angle so that all my curls look uniform and going into the same direction. And then I'm going to release my curl and hold it for a few seconds to cool it down and then leave it. And as you can see, this curl is so beautiful. I love how it turned out. I'm going to repeat the same thing again, curling my hair away from my face. And also I'm taking small chunks of section so that my curl comes out to be more neater and more cleaner and looks more voluminous once I open it with the comb. These two curls are my favorite so far. They turned out so good. This is the last strand of hair from this section, so I'm going to be very careful with it. A few seconds and then you release it and then hold it and let it cool down. As you can see, I have my half of my head done with the curls and they look so good and so beautiful. And now for my third section, I'm gonna take and separate my crown area, just my crown area, and I'm gonna tie it in a bun and look cute and all. It's a different hairstyle in itself. And then I'm gonna section my hair into two sections, and then I'm gonna do the same thing all over again just the same explanation. Take 2 subsections and then start curling them. Curling them away from my face and making sure don't burn your hand, and just hold on to curl and then release it. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the last but not the least section of our hair, and that is our crown area. I feel like this is the most complicated area to curl or to straighten or whatever. So the first thing I'm going to do is decide which partition do you want to give your hair. So I want to give my hair a side partition. So I'm going to part my hair on the side with a reference to my eyebrow arc. So I'm going to then take 2 subsections from that left section and I'm going to start curling my hair. Curling your hair from the front part, especially when you have layers, face framing layers like I do. I have face framing small layers, so my hair kind of just fall off the curler every time I try to curl this section of my hair. So I have to be very careful that I'm taking all my hair, holding on all the hair I have onto the rod and just curling them in a uniform way. So I'm giving a few more seconds to specifically this part of my hair because that's the part which is the topmost layer and it's going to show the most than the rest of my hair. So I want it to be perfect. So as you can see, that I have not side partitioned all the way to the end. It's just up to the middle of my crown section, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna take the big chunk of my hair from the behind of my crown area and I'm just gonna curl them all together. So this is basically gonna give me more volume on the crown area, which I would really love, and I love having a lot of volume on my crown area. So as you can see, I'm gonna keep this specific section for a longer time because it's a lot of hair, and then I'm gonna take my front section, that is my bangs, and I'm gonna just curl them away from my face as well. So with this one, I'm struggling a lot. As you can see that I have small hair and layers all over. So this one is like the smallest bangs that I have right now. So I'm gonna just give it a very soft curl. I'm not gonna keep it even for a longer time. And then I'm gonna brush through my hair or comb through my hair, or you can also run your fingers through your hair just to loosen up the curls and make them look not very tight. I just want to give my hair a free kind of volume, and so I'm just running my hands and my fingers through my curls, loosening them up, and this is my hairstyle. I love it. I love how it turned out. I love how bouncy and how voluminous my hair look. I also have thick hair, which gives me a little bit of more advantage. So yeah, I'm done with my hairstyle. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was very helpful for all of you. If you liked the video, do not forget to hit like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.